Okay, so we're going to talk here about electricity. This is a form of energy, as we all know, so this is why we're talking about it in this unit. We rely on electricity a huge amount as humans. Without it, we can't keep things cold like in our refrigerator. We can also not keep our houses warm in the wintertime. And because we can't keep our houses warm without electricity, sometimes when there are large power outages, pipes burst, that sort of thing. We also find it difficult to communicate. With the huge reliance on cell phones and stuff like that, you can't charge them without electricity. So, we're going to talk about generating electric energy. So in Alberta, the electric energy used to power your lights probably came from the potential energy in a lump of coal. Now I got a picture of the Edmonton Oilers there. We're called Oilers because of the large abundance of fossil fuels here. Coal is also a fossil fuel. So energy from burning coal turns a generator, which in turn produces our electricity. And in this way, the potential energy of coal is converted into electric energy. So in this case, coal would be the input energy, the generator would be our converter, and electric energy would be our output energy. So there's a diagram. So in the early 1800s, Michael Faraday investigated magnetic fields. He found that pushing a magnet through a coil of wire generated an electric current. And adding more coils or using stronger magnets produced more of an electric energy. Using these observations, he created the first electric generator. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about generating electric energy. So there's a picture of a generator. It is one device which produces electricity. We've already talked about solar panels, which convert our solar energy into electric energy, so this is just another way of getting it there. So there are two main parts to a generator, the magnet and the coil of wire. So as you can see there, the dude's holding a magnet and he's also holding that coil of wire. Moving a coil through a magnetic field produces the electricity. Making the huge amounts of electricity that we need today involves gigantic generators. So if one of these generators go down, that's usually when we get things like rolling blackouts. That's kind of the brief overview of generating electric energy, and these will come up time and time again until we end up talking about photosynthesis and energy in our bodies. Anyways, thanks for listening.